and welcome. Let's first go cross straight live now to the Fintech Conclave 2019 that's being organized by Niti Aayog. The RBI Governor speaking there.
Is to have a written text, they present it, and then it is uploaded, and that is the position of the governor. So therefore, the same discipline I am following here. For many of my friends, former colleagues and senior officials, and many of you with whom I have interacted, you would have seen that normally I speak extempore, but on this, after moving to Bombay to the central bank, one has.
All right, so that was the RBI Governor Shaktikanta speaking
by
there.
Central banks and senior officials, and many of you with whom I have interacted, you would have seen that normally I speak extempore, but on this occasion, I think after moving to Bombay to the central bank, one has to follow the discipline that is adopted by the central bank, central banks world over. In fact, on a more serious note, this is the discipline which is adopted by central bank governors across countries. As I understand, this conclave is woven around the theme of Indian fintech ecosystem as well as steps required to help achieve the potential that the sector offers towards growth, employment, and inclusion. Given the wide canvas that fintech encompasses, and as rightly explained by Sri Amitav Kant and Sri Subhas Garg, what I have done is that I have attempted to organize my thoughts on some of the core issues in this area. Basically, I'll be highlighting on the payment systems, on the utilization of fintech, the opportunities and the risks and challenges in the banking and non-banking space, and in the overall financial sector. In general, fintech, as all of you know, stands for financial technology and describes technologically enabled financial innovations. From startups to big techs to established financial institutions, all the key players are harnessing this technological edge along financial services value chain to provide agile, efficient, and differentiated experiences to the end user. The movement has the potential to fundamentally transform the financial landscape, where consumers will get to choose from large set of options at competitive prices, and financial institutions could improve efficiency through lower operational costs. As a country that is determined to achieve universal financial inclusion at affordable costs, this is a defining moment for us, and we as a country should seize the opportunity. Let me first proceed to highlight some of the experiences that we have had in the realm of fintech in India. India has indeed been at the forefront of this revolution. A recent global survey ranks India second in terms of fintech adoption, with an adoption rate of 52%. It is reported that there are as many as 1,218 fintech firms operating in India, which have created a large number of jobs. They are also generating a healthy appetite for investment. The Reserve Bank has over the years encouraged greater use of electronic payments so as to achieve cashless society. The objective has been to provide a payment system that combines the attributes of safety, security, enhanced convenience, and accessibility, leveraging technological solutions which enable faster processing. Affordability, interoperability, and customer awareness and protection have been the other focus areas. Banks have been the traditional gateway to payment services. However, with the fast pace of technological changes, this domain is no longer the monopoly of the banks. Non-bank entities are cooperating as well as competing with the banks, either as technology service providers to banks or by directly providing retail electronic payment services. The regulatory framework has also encouraged this enhanced participation of non-bank entities in the payments domain. In recent years, a focused effort has been made to develop a state-of-the-art national payment infrastructure and technology platforms, be it the IMPS, that is immediate payment service, the UPI, the BHIM, the Bharat bill payment system or Aadhaar enabled payment system, that is the AEPS. This has changed.
The RBI Governor Shaktikanta is speaking at the Fintech Conclave 2019 being held in the national capital. And remember, the conclave is about the financial technologies, and the RBI Governor is calling it a defining moment as India is aiming towards universal financial inclusion, and how India is at the forefront of this revolution and how more steps will be taken as far as financial technologies are concerned. Remember, the conclave will be featuring representatives from